Hello friends, now I will give you information about what precaution we should take while driving and some work that we should not do. The first and foremost precaution we should take while driving is don't use mobile while driving. This means that whenever we are driving, we should not use mobile while driving. If you feel you need to talk to someone or if someone wants to talk to you, then you can stop the car by talking on one side of the road. The second point is that we should never smoke while driving because nowadays it is generally seen that smoking also causes many accidents. Let me tell you about an accident. As an example, two cars were going on the road. The driver of the front car smoked a cigarette and threw it directly on the ground. And the petrol pipe of the car that was coming behind, it was leaking. So when that car came out on top of that cigarette, it caught fire completely and that car got burnt. So you keep in mind that you smoke only in the smoking area or smoke in the open area. Never smoke while driving. If you are coming from the link road to the main road, then you have to take care of the cars from both the sides. If traffic is going on continuously from both the sides, then you will have to wait to come to the main road if you are smoking while driving, so your attention should not be wandering here and there. If your attention wanders here and there, it can cause a big accident. You should come to use the vehicle indicator correctly so that if you ever have to go from your line to another line while driving, then it is necessary to use a vehicle indicator. The next major cause of the accident that can happen is your lack of sleep. For example, if you have come back from the long route in the morning and you have to take your customer again in the evening, then you should refuse it because due to fatigue, your sleep has not been fulfilled in the same way. And secondly, you are also compromising with your client's life as well. If it can be possible, then it can be replaced by someone else because the mountainous route of Himachal Pradesh are very dangerous. The next important thing is that we should always use the seat belt while driving. The seat belt always keeps you safe while driving. Whenever you apply a brake while driving, then you understand its use. Whenever you apply brakes, the seat belt, seat belt always keeps you safe while driving. Whenever you apply a brake while driving, then you understand its use. Whenever you apply brakes, the seat belt keeps you tight to your seat. So nowadays, using the seat belt is mandatory. Seat belt proves to be very useful in case of any major accident. Along with this, airbags have started coming in the vehicle nowadays, so we should always use seat belt while driving. We should use the music system carefully while driving. We should keep its voice very slow so that if the horn of the car is played, then we should listen to it. If a customer is sitting with you, then you have to keep the rear speaker volume slightly higher and the front speaker that you have engaged should keep the volume very low. Doing this can also prevent accident. Next one, that the important thing is that we should use the headrest properly. Nowadays, these headrest fixes have started coming in most of the vehicles. Then we should never remove them and separate them. For example, if our car ever met with an accident, so the seat belt keeps you glued to your our seat and if the headrest is not fixed, then our neck can also be broken. So we have to use the headrest properly. The next important thing is that we should drive the car only in keeping with the weather. In the rainy season, we have to drive at low speed. We should always keep a distance from the next car. If there is snow on the way, then the car should always run in small gear like the first or second gear. We should not drive with any kind of intoxication. Whenever a driver drives a drunk, his eyesight is reduced, and due to being drunk, he sometimes starts driving the car over speed. So, in that case, the chances of getting an accident increase more. We should follow the signal given in the way well. We should never cross the red signal. We should wait for the green signal to happen. Many times you must have seen that if a moving vehicle catches fire, then there can be many reasons for the fire. Like many times we park the car in the parking place where there are more rats. The teeth of the rat can easily cut the insulation layer on the top of the wire. Whenever two broken pieces join together, there is a risk of sparking, which can cause a fire in the car and major accident can happen. If we use petrol as fuel in the vehicle, then it can also increase the risk of fire. So whenever we go for long drive, it is very important to keep these things in mind. First of all, these and this ensure your own safety and ensure the safety of your customer as well as you. If you do not want the rats to get into your car, then you can put phenyl tablets in a clothes and keep them in a engine sections. And in a state like Himachal Pradesh, parking is a very serious problem. For example, in a city like Simla, if you do not have parking facility, then you cannot even buy a car. If you have to start your employment as a taxi, then first you will have to make proper arrangement of parking. The parking space should be such that where your car is saved from sun and rain, etc. The work will grow. You can arrange parking for a second car. If you are starting your employment as a taxi, then you should have a conversation with the people around you who are already doing this work. You can get knowledge of some important things from them, such as according to how you take money from the customers. If he takes a lump sum, then how much does it take to travel from one city to another? And if you take money according to the kilometer, so how much money do you take as per kilometer? Because in Himachal Pradesh, the kilometers are usually more due to the mountainous route. Then the rates of Himachal Pradesh are slightly higher than the rates of other states. Taxi services like Ola and Uber are also available for the convenience of passenger in the cities like Delhi and Chandigarh. But there is no such provision in Himachal Pradesh, so it is golden opportunity to start working in this field. You can use social media like Facebook and WhatsApp, etc. to connect with people. You must be well aware of the geographical location of Himachal Pradesh, as Himachal Pradesh is known as tourism hub. Whenever any tourist come to visit here, they do not have complete information about it. So if you give them complete information about that place, then your customer will be very happy with you, because sometimes there are some places which are not of the main roads looks a little off-road. Along with being a taxi driver, you can also work as a tourist guide. Many times the customer is fond of trekking, then you should also have full knowledge about that. If your customer is happy with you, then he will be sure to join you and he will give information about you to his friend and relatives. You remain connected with your customer through social media. If that customer comes to you again, then you can also provide them any offer. You should always provide good facility to your customers so that your customer will always be happy with you. If your customer will be happy with you, then only you can progress your work slowly. You can also buy a maxi cab slowing by starting slowly, by starting work with a small taxi, so that if your customer comes to roam around with the whole family, then you will not have any problem to rotate them. If you have a maxi cab, then you will be able to move within 7 to 8 members comfortably. In the end, keeping all the things in mind, and you can keep your customers satisfied and carry on your work. Thanks.